journey has been so much fun. I started movies when I was like 15, so for me being on screen is like second nature. Being in front of the camera is like something I'm so used to. So it's just been an absolute pleasure, and my journey has been full of people who've been super accepting of me, so it's really nice. Well, right now I'm also shooting for a film called Borivali Ka Bruce Lee, which is a really cute, fun movie which has kung fu in it, as obviously Bruce Lee suggests, and there's martial arts. I am not doing any martial arts, but it has comedy and it has, fun. It has an equation and a relationship that's between a mother and son, which now I know in real life as I'm a mom. So it really feels amazing to be part of a movie like that. But whatever projects I do from now on will definitely be something that I can see myself enjoying as not only an audience but as a family person. And as an actor, something that really has substance and feels worth it to take out my time from my life and be part of. One doesn't know, this is the kind of day where I think there are so many different opportunities, so you have to be open to all kinds of things. Depends what kind of script it is, depends what kind of show it is, but it really depends on a lot of things for me, always. Oh, there's so many good things about being a mom, but I think the best part is to receive that kind of love. I mean, when you look at someone that, is your child and just everything about them seems amazing, and to just have that relationship where there's unconditional love, I think that's a fun thing to have for any human being. I've never worked with Amit ji, so it would be really fun to work with. Yeah, the thing is that because of social media, there are so many pros and cons, but things are always blown out of proportion. If there's something negative and if there's something good, then that also gets a lot of, notice and eyes. But I think that lately it's almost like a trend for the trollers, because like I've noticed the past few months, every month they pick a new actress and they pick on her for something. It's just sad, I mean, but it doesn't bother me because I come from a background where we are super open and very supportive, and we don't care about things that are obviously untrue. So I don't bother about it, but I feel youngsters might get, who are being spoken to like that, because trolling is not just about celebrities. Like my sister is not a celebrity. She gets trolled all the time, or judged or spoken to online for having tattoos and piercings, or someone else might be spoken to badly for having a different, just a different appearance or a body type or any preference in their life. And I think that is what worries me, that we grow up in a world where kindness like this on social media should almost be taught in schools or at home, like how to handle yourself on social media, because it's literally a huge part of our lives. Hi, this is Aisha Takia. Please subscribe to Tele Chakkar YouTube channel.